Hello friends, welcome to Remedies at Home. In this channel we talk about stuff which is right available in your kitchen and which is very beneficial for treatment of lot of body problems like your hair problem, skin problem and your teeth problems and some fever, some cold. So in today's episode we're gonna talk about dry cough, or you can say chronic cough, because whenever season change and winter comes, you get caught by stubborn dry cough. You take a lot of medicine but you doesn't get rid of this. So just with the simple ingredients you can make it away. So here is a ginger, and here you have a pure honey, and here is a basil leaf. And the key ingredients here is a basil leaf. I'm sure these leaves are available easily, and if not you can find it from your neighbor, and you can find it from stores also. And I hope that some people are selling these basil leaves also. So what we're gonna do, with help of these ingredients, we're gonna prepare a drink which you can drink easily 3 times in a day. So I hope that you won't get any problem eating this kind of drink, or it's kind of herbal tea. So I'm gonna tell you what to do. So first you need to take 1 glass of water, and you have to take around 10 leaf. You have to crush them, and then you have to chop ginger in some small pieces, and you can crush it also, whatever you like. And you have to boil water with these 2 ingredients, and you have to completely boil until it reduces to some extent. And then after that you have to cool it off, and then you have to add honey in it. So let's do it. As you can see, I have crushed the mints, and now I'm gonna chop it ginger in small pieces. I'm sure this would be sufficient. And now I'm gonna boil the water. So here water is boiling, and I have added chopped ginger pieces and crushed mint leaves in it. I will give it a good boil. Okay, so I boiled my water with my 2 ingredients. Now it's the time to add third ingredients, that is honey. Just add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey itself is very good for your health. If you want to lose weight, you can take 1 tablespoon with warm water, and you can see the result of it. So this is the wonder drink which we have just prepared to get rid of dry cough. And now in this episode we also talked about cold and cough, and I'm sure that I'm making different videos and different I'm just giving you some different options that how we can get rid of cold and cough. And this is the video, different ingredients, and in each video I try to use different ingredients, that how they are used all together, and what combinations can be used, cough and cold. So here it is the drink. I hope you like the video. Please like my video on YouTube and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video. I hope you see something new in the next video. Until then, goodbye.